In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my WhatsApp linked device as primary. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So to make your linked device your primary device, you'll need to download it only on one device. So let's say this is a phone where you want your linked device to be primary. So simply head on to the App Store and download WhatsApp. So if you downloaded WhatsApp here and signed in into your account, this will automatically make it your primary device. So if you want to change your phone, just delete the WhatsApp on your other phone and download WhatsApp to your new phone. So that's basically it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.